the entire status quo, the entire political status quo is against me right now. So there are 13 parties, they're all on one side and my party is up against them. And they are petrified because the reason why this assassination attempt was because they got scared of the popularity of our party. Since we were removed through a conspiracy on the 9th of April, on 10th of April, never have so many hundreds and thousands of people come out all over Pakistan and protest. It's never happened in Pakistan. So they got rattled by that. Then followed series of our public rallies which were unprecedented. But what really scared them were the 36 by-elections that took place since, and 75% of them were won by us. So 29 out of 36 were won by PTI. Despite, the establishment on their side, the election commission favoring them, the administration was on their side. So that's what has really rattled them. If you look at any survey in Pakistan right now, all the parties put together cannot compete with us. In the by-elections, 13 parties stood on one ticket against us. And as I said, 75% of the elections were won by us.